Good evening. Today we see another part of the third unit, that is solid inclined to VP. The axis inclined to, okay, take a pentagonal prism of base 20 mm and axis 50 mm long is a wrist its longer edge on HP with its axis inclined 30 degree to VP and parallel to HP. Draw its projection. Okay. Now you know what is by prism. The pentagonal prism, it has 5 sides, but it rests its longer edge. This is the edge. It rests its edge on HP. Okay, and the axis inclined 30 degree to VP and parallel to HP. This is the position. Okay, now we have to see the how a pentagonal prism which locates or its simple position we have to draw, then we go for inclination. Then you have to draw a line and name it VP by HP since it is the first quadrant and it rests its longer edge. One edge is on HP. Okay, edge is on HP. Therefore, the axis may be perpendicular to VP. Therefore, you can draw a pentagon of side 20 mm. It is a pentagon of side 20 mm. Okay, a pentagon which rests its edge on HP. If the edge is on HP, you have to take it. Just you have to take a point and to take on both sides. The 72 should be divided into 36 this side, 36 this side. And then you have to make an angle. Then you take 72 degree, here 72 degree. Then you can construct the pentagon. Since it is a prism, you know how to find the axis. Draw a line from the corner to the midpoint. From the corner to this midpoint. Therefore, here is the axis. You have to draw a long line, short line. Long line, short line. Then what is their height? It should be, it does not give how much distance it should be. Therefore, you have to place whatever the distance you know to take some distance. And what is their height? 50 mm. 20, 40, 50. Okay. I have to draw the pentagon. And this is visible, therefore you have to draw dark line. And this is invisible, you have to draw dash line. On the center line itself, you have to draw a dashed line. Then you have to name it. Here you have to name them as A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash. The corresponding another is 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash. Here you have to name A, B, C, D, E. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, since it is on the back side, you have to note it. This is on the front side. And you see from here, you can draw all their edges. Is there any doubt? Since the axis is perpendicular to VP and its edge on HP, the larger edge is on HP, therefore axis may be perpendicular. Therefore, the true shape is on the top side. The true shape is on the front view. Okay, then you have to draw the axis is inclined how much angle? 30° to VP. Therefore, they give phi. Now you make a phi 30° inclination. 30° inclined line, and you take this part, and it may be a perpendicular one. You have this part and the remaining part here. You try another part. Similar thing you have to cut. 1, 2, 1, 2. Draw a perpendicular line and mark the same point there. Same distance should be there. This is the dashed line. You have to draw the dashed line. The same object you have to incline at an angle of phi equal to 30°. Since VP, you have to put 30° phi. Okay, then you have to project all the points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, C, C, D, E. All the points have to name. Then you have to draw a line perpendicular to the reference line at each and every point. And from here you have to draw. Each and every corner you have to. Then draw a line parallel to the reference line at each and every point. Okay. Then you have to find the intersection A and A. That is here A and A dash. Where it intersect? Here. Therefore, you name it as A1 dash. B and B dash. B1 dash. C and C dash. C1 dash. D1 dash. E and E dash. E1 dash. Here. 1 dash. Here 2. 2 1 dash. 3 4 1 dash. 5 1 dash. Suffix and their corresponding dashes. Then when you see from the top, the last sum you see from there, okay, similarly you sum from the bottom, then this is the top portion. Therefore, it is fully visible. This is fully visible. Therefore, you have to draw dark line. Since it is fully visible, you have to use dark line. Here, the one off is visible. The another of is invisible. Therefore, you have to use the dash line. To use the dash line. Okay. Then you see from here. When you see from here, which edges are visible? A and 1, it is visible. Therefore, you have to use dark line. B and 2, visible. You have to use dark line. C and 3, invisible. If you draw dash line, it is already coincident with the dark line. Leave it. D and 4, it is a dash line. E and 5, it is visible. You have to draw. That is the simple concept. Okay, you have to take this object and you have to turn the which edge is on HP? E to 5. This is the edge. This edge is on HP and this side is above, and how it can be located. You can see here true position. How the pentagonal prism is inclined and it is longer edge on HP. HP la restore. This should be inclined 30 degree to 3. That is the position of a pentagonal prism. Okay. Similarly, you can see one more, an hexagonal prism. Please mute your phone. Next one, a hexagonal prism of base 25 mm and axis 60 mm long. Rest its rectangular face or side on HP. Rectangular face or side on HP with its axis inclined 45 degree to VP and parallel to HP. Draw its projection. The question is like that. You have to draw a line, horizontal line, and name it as VP by HP. Okay. Then it rests its rectangular face. This face is on HP. This face is on HP. Okay. Then the axis should be perpendicular to VP. Therefore, the true shape is on the above the reference line. It is the reference line. Therefore, hexagon with its face on HP. Therefore, the face, rectangular face on HP, 25 mm. It is 25 mm. What is their angle to take the hexagon? 60-60. You have to take 60-60 on other sides. Okay, to take 60 degree on either side. Sorry, some distance it may cover. Okay, no problem. Okay, since it is a prism, we have to find the axis. Any two diagonal meeting point is the axis where you have to draw their center line. Then you have to project all their points. What is their height? You take some distance. It is their height 60. Okay, 20, 40, 60. You take a layer height. Then you project it. Okay, then you have to name them. A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash, F dash. 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash. Similarly, you have to name it. A, B, C, D, E, F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Since it is on the bottom side, it should be the line. Dashed line is mixed with the dark line. That's why no problem. You have to see that is the true position of a hexagonal prism. Simple position of a hexagonal prism which rates its base on the axis is perpendicular to VP. Now, the angle. What is the angle they give? 45 degree to VP. Therefore, you take at any point and make an angle of 45 degree. Make at an angle of 45 degree to VP. Then you take this point. Wherever the perpendicularity we have to obtain. Whereas you have to obtain the perpendicular line. That is a 90 degree. Whatever you obtain, you have to draw it. No problem. The height 20, 20, 40, 60. Then you draw the same perpendicularity. Then you take the same distance there. Join that point. All the point you have to join it. Its angle is 45 degree. Make it is a 45 degree inclination. You joined it and name similarly. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5, 6. Similarly here, A, B, C, D, E, F. Then the same procedure from at each and every point, you draw a line perpendicular to the reference line. Draw a line perpendicular to the reference line at each and every point. Similarly here. There you have to join. Then you draw a line parallel to every point. Then you find the intersecting point. What is the intersecting point? A and A dash. Where it intersect? Here. A1 dash. B and B dash. B1 dash. C1 dash. D1 dash. E1 dash. F1 dash. Similarly here. 1 1 dash. 2 1 dash. 3 1 dash. 4 1 dash. Here 5 1 dash. This is 6 1 dash. All the point you have to mark. Then where you have to see from the bottom, and you see this full are visible. Therefore, you have to draw all these things as dark. Since it is visible, you have to draw dark. Here, only half of are visible. This half is visible. The another half is invisible. Therefore, you have to use the dark line, dashed line. You have to use the dashed line. Then when you see from here, which are visible, A to 1, the same thing. You have to join A to 1, B to 2, C to F to 6. These three are visible. Other three, E to 5, it merge, no problem, leave it. D to 4, D to 4, dash line. C to 3, it is already merged, leave it. This is the inclined position of a hexagonal prism whose rectangular face on HP, the whole face which is on HP. Okay, this is the face. From here to here, the face is on HP. Whereas in that, only one point there and there. Therefore, one edge here, face. Okay, this is the thing we have to understand. Next, you see a pyramid. Okay, take the same pentagonal pyramid or hexagonal pyramid, whatever you want, you have to take, no problem. You want to take the same hexagonal pyramid itself, no problem. Of base 20 mm and the axis 50 mm long. Axis 50 mm long. Rest is base edge on at base edge. Okay, base edge on, not edge. Since already on edge you have to focus. Here we have to take base corner. Base corner on HP and axis perpendicular to VP. That is, if they give, no problem. If they don't give, you can understand the base corner means it is perpendicular to, axis is perpendicular to VP. Draw the projection when the axis is inclined 40° to VP and parallel to HP. So this is the question. Here, the base corner, this is the corner, this is the edge, this is the face, this is the corner. The corner is on HP. Thank you. Base corner. Okay, not base edge, not edge, base corner. Therefore, how the prism, how a hexagon should locate. Similar thing, you have to put VP by HP to take the corner here. Okay, then what is the angle? 60. Therefore, you have to divide 30 and 30. This side 30, this side 30. What is the side? 20 mm. Okay, you have to take 20 mm. 30 inclination. This may be a 30° inclination. This may be a 30° inclination. Take it. This side 30, this side 30. And what is the 20? 20. Put it. Yeah, 20, 20, 20, 20. Okay. Here it is a pyramid where all the edges are visible. Therefore, you joined all the edges. Joined all the edges. All the edges are visible. Okay, you have to join all the edges. This is the apex point, O dash. That you have to name it as A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash, and F dash. Similarly, you have to name it. And then you have to project. This is the axis point. You have to project the axis point. What is their height? 50. 20, 40, 50. Okay. Then this is the point. This is O. Then you have to name it as A, B, C. Thin bracket D, E, F. If the corner is base corner is on HP, it should be. If the base edge is on HP, the hexagon should be look like this. It should be look like this. If base edge, this is the corner. That is the difference you have to understand. Okay, it is the corner, not edge. Then what is the axis incline? 40 degrees. You take at any point and take a 40-degree inclination, or 45. It may be 40 degree incline, and you take this point. Then only the perpendicularity, where the perpendicularity occurs, you go there. The perpendicularity, this is the point you focus. This is the point we have to focus. Height 20, 40, 20, 40, 50. Okay, then you have to project all the points. O, here A, B, C within bracket D, here E, here F. All the points you have to note. Then the same method, draw a line perpendicular to the reference line to each and every point. How to draw parallel or perpendicular. Then here, maybe parallel. From here you have to draw parallel to the reference line. Parallel to the reference line. This is the axis that you have to project here. All the points you have to project parallel to. Then you have to find the intersecting A and A dash. You put it as A1 dash, B1 dash, C1 dash, B1 dash, E1 dash, F1 dash. This is O1 dash. Then when you see from here, which is visible? Only half. Therefore you have to draw half only visible. The another half is invisible. You have to draw the dash line. Okay. Then when you see from here, which edges are visible? A2O, this is visible. From here A2O, this edge is visible. This is the slant edge. B2O, visible. How to draw B2O as visible. Then C2O, invisible. Dash line. D2O, that is on the back side, it is invisible. Then E2O is visible. Have to put E2 as visible. Then F2O visible. Okay, this is the position of a pyramid whose angle is 40 degree to the hexagonal pyramid. The rest is edge, sorry, corner on HP. The axis inclined 40 degree to VP. Are you clear? Is there any doubt on pyramid and prism? No. Next we see about a cylinder. Cylinder also I have to solve one sum. Cylinder as well as cone. A cylinder of base diameter 50 mm is rest its circumference on HP and its axis inclined 50 degree to VP and parallel to HP. Draw its projection. Okay, simple. What is their simple position? Circumference on HP. Okay, circumference on HP means what it indicates? The axis is perpendicular. This is the circle. This is a cylinder. The circumference on HP. The circumference is on HP means the axis is perpendicular. Therefore, you can obtain the cylinder there. Circle is there. What is there? 25. Then you can obtain a cylinder. Are you here? A circle whose diameter you have to obtain, then draw a cylinder.